Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change home address on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to change home address on Google Maps application, first open up the Google Map on your phone. And after opening your Google Map application, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon and this kind of menu will appear where you can see your data in maps option available for us just above the settings. Tap on your data in maps and this kind of interface will appear, and if you scroll down you will be able to view your home address and your work addresses over here which you had assigned to your account earlier on. Now in order to change your home address on your Google Map, tap on the home section over here and you will land on this kind of interface over here where you will be able to either choose directly your location over here. Either you can write it over here, all of your location, or you can just tap on the choose map and you'll be able to choose it on the map and tap on save, and after that your home address will be saved on your Google Maps of your account. This was the first way, guys. Now you can also change the home address on Google Maps with the second way. So in order to go to the second way, let's go back. And at the bottom of the screen on this interface or the home screen of Google Maps, you can see there's a U button over here at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the U button and this kind of interface will appear, and if you view over here it says there is the labeled private one place over here. Tap on the category of labeled places over here, and over here you will find your home address as well. Now in order to change your home address from over here, tap on the three dotted icon at the right side of the home address over here at the top of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to tap on the edit home, and you can see you will be able to drag and drop your home location from over here. Let's set it to the GPS location of mine and tap on save, and this way, guys, tap on done and your home address will be changed like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change home address on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.